Test your knowledge with Indian politics MCQs. Let's dive in and see how well you know Indian politics. Who is the first president of India?
The correct answer is option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi.
Which of the following is the oldest political party in India? The correct answer is option C, Indian National Congress. In which year was the Constitution of India adopted? The correct answer is option B, 1949. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to freedom of speech? The correct answer is option B, Article 19. How many members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option B, 12. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is option B, President. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is the correct answer is option D, 552. The Election Commission of India is a The correct answer is option B, constitutional body. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of the Prime Minister? The correct answer is option A, Article 75. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the President's rule in a state? The correct answer is option B, Article 356. Who among the following was the first Governor-General of independent India? The correct answer is option A, Lord Mountbatten. The Council of Ministers in India is collectively responsible to which body? The correct answer is option B, Lok Sabha. Which of the following is not a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, right to property. The idea of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? The correct answer is option B, Ireland. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option B, Vice President of India. The Election Commission of India is responsible for conducting elections to which of the following? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which date? The correct answer is option B, 26 November 1949. The Panchayati Raj system in India was first introduced in which state? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. The anti-defection law was passed in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1985. The term secular was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by which amendment? The correct answer is option D, 42nd Amendment. The Union Budget is presented to the Parliament by whom? The correct answer is option C, Finance Minister. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is option A, President. The tenure of the President of India is how many years? The correct answer is option A, 5 years. Which is the highest judicial body in India? The correct answer is option B, Supreme Court. The power to amend the Constitution of India lies with which body? The correct answer is option C, Parliament. The Chief Election Commissioner of India holds office for how many years? The correct answer is option C, 6. The State Legislative Assembly is also known as what? The correct answer is option A, Vidhan Sabha. Who among the following is not a part of the Union Executive? The correct answer is option D, Chief Justice of India. Who was the first Law Minister of independent India? The correct answer is option A, B.R. Ambedkar.